עכשיו.
Okay. The center of our galaxy has a sun. Each galaxy has a sun, but not the same planets. Each sun is called something else. Like our sun is called sun, then other suns are called something else. I haven't been to all the galaxies, so I don't know which sun you call, but what I know that is our sun is the smallest sun in outer space. Outer space is our galaxy, but galaxies and galaxies live in outer space, and outer space is made out of a galaxy? No, it isn't. But our outer space galaxy is made out of but our outer space that we live on is made out of a galaxy. The galaxy that we're living on is living on outer space and spinning around. Different galaxies spin around different ways. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
There's
bigger galaxies. A big galaxy takes a little one and swallows it. It means planets, there's two suns, there's two planets orbiting around the sun, there's two planets orbiting around the sun, like two are each row.
Okay, we
So,
talk a lot
and
about
then they
suns.
both melt. It means the galaxies just melt. It doesn't mean like there's no planet, we all die. It means we don't orbit around something. Orbit is another word for turning. Turning is another word for orbit. It's kind of the same word. Okay, all our planets. Mercury is a hot spot. So you can just make up a beach, relax, I want to cool. Venus is hot on one spot, cold on one side. You can make one spot a hot spot where you can do a beach, and one spot a cold spot where you can do snow angels and snowmans and hang around all winter day. Oh, I closed the book. That's the funny part in the story. I closed the book. Okay, next comes Venus. It has... Oh, I already said Venus. Okay, next comes Earth. Earth is where we live. Earth is not too cold or not too hot. Earth has one moon. You know, each planet has a moon. Moons orbit around planets. Planets orbit around suns. Suns orbit around galaxies.
What will happen if Jupiter will come next to Earth?
Earth will spin around Jupiter.
Why?
Because the bigger the planet, the smaller the planet, the smaller the thing,
Small
things go with big things. Big things do not go with small things. Earth is smaller than Jupiter. Jupiter is the smallest planet in our galaxy.
Is the smallest planet Jupiter?
Is the biggest planet in our galaxy. Saturn. Some people think Saturn is the biggest planet in our galaxy. Well, it's not. Okay? If Saturn comes near to Jupiter, so Saturn will turn into Jupiter's biggest moon. And you might ask me about Pluto questions going next to Pluto. Like Pluto questions about what Pluto was, how to do, blah, blah, blah.
So Pluto,
don't
what?
ask me about them now because it has Pluto in this book and Pluto is not in our galaxy. It's going away to a new galaxy.
Why?
Can you just ask me those questions when we get to Pluto?
Okay.
Next is I don't know. Next is I don't know because I don't know this planet.
After Earth, which one is turning?
No, I already said Jupiter. I already said Saturn.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what comes after?
The tree?
Uranus.
What is special about Uranus?
That it spins. Earth spins like this. Uranus spins like this. Oops, I messed up with my cartwheels.
אוקיי. ומה יש לאורנוס, ג'ופיטר וסאטרן?
They have rings
Rings made of?
made out of ice, rocks, blah 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 and blah blah blah.
טוב. ומה בא אחרי אורנוס?
Uranus, okay. Uranus, Neptune.
ומה בא אחרי?
Neptune is like made out of an ocean. You can just swim all day and have a nice little place. And maybe there's life there. I don't know yet. Because it has water and there's water on Earth. So it maybe has life there of fish.
Mm-hmm. So what happened
Not
to Pluto?
birds. Don't ask me if birds because
What happened to
sometimes-
Pluto?
Okay. Now Pluto was a moon, then a planet, then went into a planet for other galaxy. It was Uranus's moon. Well, it orbited too fast, and if it goes too fast, it will say bye-bye.
And if it's
and
on
go
orbit?
to a new galaxy or become a planet. Lucky it becomes a planet, but then the planet Pluto orbited around the sun too fast, said bye-bye to the galaxy, went to a new galaxy.
What is needed to
But
continue
I
to
don't
orbit it?
know if in that galaxy Pluto is going to be a moon or a planet.
מה צריך כדי שהכדור ימשיך להסתובב?
You need, if Pluto was going too slow around Uranus, so it will bump into Uranus, maybe it will break a ring on Uranus, but we don't know yet because crashes, we don't know about crashes about with moons so far. Okay?
And what happens if it's too fast?
And I already said what happens if it's too fast. Want me to say it again?
Yes, please.
Okay, if it goes too fast, around Uranus, it will say bye-bye and or become a planet or go away from Pluto. We're lucky Pluto first became a planet, then went bye-bye to the galaxy.
יש
Because
לי
it spun
שאלה, הילה.
too fast around the sun. If it went too slow around the sun, it won't crash. It just will fall down from the galaxy. Fall, and not orbit around anything. So that's what happens when a planet goes too slow. And when it goes too slow around, when it's a moon, and if a moon goes too slow, it will crash into a planet. And if it goes
יש לי
just
שאלה,
right, it
הילה.
will keep orbiting and orbiting and orbiting.
יש לי שאלה, הילה.
Lucky our moon didn't crash into Earth because then all the living stuff will die and if it crashes into water, all the living stuff will die and new nature will come, but it won't be humans, just like it happened to the dinosaurs, blah 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 blah.
יש לי שאלה, הילה. זה דברים שמקיפים אחד את השני, והם הכי גדולים. את מכירה דברים שהם מקיפים, מסתובבים אחד לשני, והם נורא 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 קטנים? מאוד, הכי קטנים בעולם. מה הדברים הכי קטנים?
Protons,
פרוטונס, נכון, ומה עוד?
electrons,
נכון, והם חלק ממה? אטומים. וכמה אטומים ביחד מרכיבים? ממה כל דבר עשוי? ממה כל דבר עשוי?
Everything is made out of molecules, and the molecules are made out of atoms, and the atoms are made out
of
of, כמו עשית,
אלקטרונים. אמרת את זה.
electrons,
Electrons and?
nutrients,
And? The last one?
protons.
And electrons are positive charge or negative charge?
Some have a plus, some have a
No.
minus.
Electrons always minus.
Minus.
Neutron are neutral, so they have no signature.
Okay. This is a plus sign, like you add parts together.
Mhm.
Add. This is a minus. See, but don't think of my head because then you'll say, why aren't you doing this? Okay, so don't look at my head and my body, just look at my arm and make the minus. Like I'm taking apart and then boom. I'm adding the parts, boom.
ויש לי שאלה, אם יש לי 3 אלקטרונים, כמה פרוטונים יש לי באטום?
I haven't got to that yet.
זה גם
Okay,
שלוש.
aber
שנייה.
aber stop!
סתם.
Okay, aber
כן.